Hey, hello everyone. In this particular video tutorial, we will see how we can print all the alphabets from A to Z with the help of Java. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I will create a method. I will create a public void method only. No return type is required. I will give name as a print alphabets, and we don't need any argument. So what we will do? First, we will use one for loop. In for loop, we'll first declare char ch is equal to a. So our first char will be a. Then ch is less than equal to z. So we will traverse from a to z, and ch plus plus. So now this particular for loop will traverse all the alphabets from A to Z. Now we have to print one by one. For that, I will just use the sout statement system.out.println, and inside that I will print ch. So this will print all the alphabets from A to Z. Let's create a main class or main method. Before that, I will make this particular method as a static because we'll be using it in the main method. So let's create a main method, and in main method I will just call this particular method. Now once I execute this program, it will print all the alphabet from A to Z. So let's run the program. So here you can see it printed all the alphabets from A to Z. You can see all the 26 alphabets are here. So in this way, with the help of Java, you can print alphabets. That's it for this particular video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.